I've just had a neighbor complaining about the noise. So I guess noise has to stop from now on because there's a lot of people complaining real bad. I am missing one of my shoes, so I'm wanting help. So well, my shoes are very up high, so I need someone to look for shoes for me. Thank you so much, Gami Horton. Yo, this lady just complained about noise, and I actually feel bad for her because it's not only me. My neighbor makes a lot of noise, and my neighbor doesn't care. So I actually listened to her, and I took down the volume a little bit. Ex-couple uyaphila kodwa chum. Yo, I can't think of it. Please, Dlamini, your skin is glowing, looking so pretty. You do not fart. I do. But when I'm alone. My favorite color is black and white. So I bought this hair in Nigeria. This Nigerian vendor. So I was waiting for it when it came here because it gets delivered in South Africa. My friend has an address in South Africa, so that's where I deliver most of my things. So this is probably my first glueless hair that I don't have to glue every day. So it's also very dangerous because it's very easy to pull it, and especially when you fight me or you rob me the hair, it's gonna be very easy for people to take it because it's glueless. And so I bought it in Nigeria. Well, that's alright because of the way it hurts. Guys, I made a mistake. I was dressing, I was putting lotion on. I forgot to put sunscreen. Guys, I'm missing one of my shoes. I should be wearing my shoes, but there's one shoe that's missing, so I'm not gonna look for it. My driver's gonna go look for it because it's I don't know where it disappeared. I haven't had tea, but I did have something to eat. Is it me or yogurt in the morning? Plain yogurt in the morning makes you lazy. It just makes me so lazy. I don't understand. plain yogurt and honey, it just makes me so sleepy. Like especially when I'm sitting down having while eating it, I just get so lazy after that. Okay, yes. Do you eat the? No, I don't. I don't. I literally eat like a bowl, a little bowl. Do you have your own driver? No, this is our family driver. He's been around ever since I was young, taking me to school. So he never really left the family. So he comes in my house, goes also to my mom's house. For me, because I stay alone, so I need a bit of work. My house is a standalone, so I need a yard work. And he also sometimes brings the help. Thanks for the roses. Oh my gosh, appreciate them so much. He also, I did add some fruits. I added some blueberries, grapes, green grapes, and they call them white grapes, and strawberries. So he just works around the home. Expecting someone's picture. They promised me a picture, and I'm anticipating on the picture, so I want to see it quick. Spusiso! Spusis! Spusiso! Spusis! I don't know where he is, guys. I really don't. I've never been to the US. I've never been outside of Africa. Africa's nice, I won't lie. I wouldn't want to be in any other continent than Africa. Africa is so nice. Oh my gosh, Africa is so nice. The people are lovely, you know. But that's alright because I love the way it looks. I miss your messy era. I do too. I do too. But I respect my God so much, and I don't even know what to say. Well, guys, I'm gonna say my goodbyes now. Thank you for joining my life. I don't go to Cape Town. Cape Town is not my favorite place. I've been there, but I just don't like Cape Town. I just feel like Cape Town has its own people. But yeah, I don't know what to say. Guys, thank you for joining my life. I have to love and leave you now. We'll catch up some other time.